Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will learn how to make negative sentences in the simple present tense. Negative sentences are used when we want to say that something does not happen or is not true. To make a negative sentence in simple present, we use the structure subject plus do or does plus not plus the base verb. For example, I do not go or he does not like. The choice between do and does depends on the subject pronoun. With the pronouns I, you, we, and they, we use do not, which is shortened to don't. For example, I don't go, you don't like, we don't eat, they don't play. Remember, the verb stays in its base form without any changes. With the pronouns he, she, and it, we use does not, which is shortened to doesn't. For example, he doesn't go, she doesn't like, it doesn't work. These are singular subjects, so we use does with the letter S. In everyday conversation, we usually use contractions. Do not becomes don't, and does not becomes doesn't. These contractions are very common when speaking English. In formal writing, you might sometimes see the full forms, but contractions are preferred in most situations. To ask questions in simple present, we put do or does at the beginning of the sentence. For yes or no questions, we say, do you like pizza? For questions with question words, we say, where do they go? And for third person, does he like coffee? The structure changes, but the idea is the same. Here are some common mistakes students make. Do not say, he don't like pizza. It should be, he doesn't like pizza. Do not say, she no go to school. It should be, she doesn't go to school. And do not say, I doesn't want coffee. It should be, I don't want coffee. Remember the correct pronoun and the correct form of do or does. Let's remember the most important points. Use don't with I, you, we, and they. Use doesn't with he, she, and it. Always use the base form of the verb after do or does. Never add s or es to the verb. Practice these patterns until they become natural for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.